Sa iyong tingin pa lang ako ay natunaw na. Mga titig mo sa akin nakabighani na. Di ko mapihil ang aking nadarama. May chinita, girl, may chinita.
Sabi ko ako kinikilatan, alam ko maganda ako.
Dahil na medyo mata ko.
Hi everyone and welcome back to the Chubby channel. I'm Dr. Bian and I'm here to take good care of your eyes and your vision. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So let's talk about eyelid twitching. Chances are, if you're watching this, then your eyelids are twitching and you're finding it bothersome and annoying. A lot of people experience this from time to time. The actual term for eyelid twitching is what we call as eyelid myokymia, which is very similar to any muscle spasm of the body. Basically, the nerve that controls your eyelid muscle are being excited, that's causing it to flutter away and twitch, which can really be bothersome. For most people, these eyelid twitches are very benign and self-limiting, meaning it would only last for a day or two. But for some people, it would last for months or even years. Now again, these eyelid twitches are very normal to experience. They happen as a little twitching or fluttering over outside the edge of your lower lid or sometimes on the edge of your upper lid. But there are certain unique scenarios that are not normal. One of these is called Blepharospasm. Basically, your eyes are clenched shut down and no matter how hard you try, you cannot open them. Or you could have what's called the Hemi facial spasm, wherein half of your face starts to kind of spasm and grimace uncontrollably. Again, if you experience any of those two, go to your doctor immediately and tell them what you experience because it might be associated with other neurologic condition. But again, those little fluttering or twitching of the eyelids are very normal to experience, but I'm here to give you some pro tips so that they resolve a little faster. Let's discuss the main causes of your eyelid twitching. 1 is stress, 2 is fatigue, 3 is caffeine intake, 4 is alcohol intake, 5 is dry eyes, 6 is nutritional imbalance, and lastly, eye allergies. Now we know the causes, let's talk about tips to control your eyelid twitching. Tip number 1, step back from stress. It is easier said than done, but the truth is, we carry a lot of stress in our lives. Relax, guys. Remove the negativity from your life. Do some yoga. Talk to your friends or your pets. Do some breathing exercises. And getting more downtime into your schedule are ways to reduce your stress. Tip number 2, reduce fatigue and get some rest. Settle in for a snooze. I personally go to bed earlier. Another cool tip that I pick from my co-doctor is to try to stretch your arms out and try to do some movements that kind of fools the brain that it is bedtime already. Tip number 3, reduce your caffeine intake. This might be one of the most challenging tips for some. As a stimulant, caffeine often causes eyelid spasm. Try cutting back on caffeine intake for a week or 2 and see if the twitching disappears. Tip number 4, take a break from alcohol. If you experience eye twitching after drinking beer, wine, or liquor, take a break from the booze since alcohol consumption may cause lids to twitch. Tip number 5, moisturize your eyes. Dry eyes are very common to computer users, to those people who take certain medications such as antidepressants and antihistamines, those who wear contact lenses, and those who consume a lot of caffeine and alcohol. So how do we control your dry eye? Do warm compress and put artificial tears. Restoring moisture to the surface of your eye may stop the twitching and decrease the risk of twitching in the future. If you have a twitching eyelid and your eyes feel gritty or dry, consult your local eye doctor for an evaluation. Tip number 6. Address your nutrition. Some reports suggest a lack of certain nutritional elements such as magnesium can lead to eyelid spasm. Although these reports are not conclusive, this may be another possible cause of eyelid twitching. If you are concerned that your diet may not be supplying all the nutrients you need for healthy vision, discuss with your eye doctor before purchasing over-the-counter nutritional supplements. Tip number 7. Manage your eye allergies. People with eye allergies can have itching, swelling, and watery eyes. Rubbing your eyes because of allergy symptom releases histamines into your eyelid tissues and tear film, which may cause eye twitching. And lastly, you can do some eye massages to relieve those eye twitches. So you can put a little pressure on your lower lid like this. And you can also put a little pressure on your upper eyelid. And do some circle massages. This would help you relax your eyelids. Sometimes, making minor changes to your diet and lifestyle can help reduce the risk of having eye twitch. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.
Girl, my chinita, girl.